Hi everyone, I'm Nicole Spitler with All Designs Equine, and today we're back. It's December 15th, and I've done over 300 wreaths since November 1st, and I'm still sick and working through it. I still have about another 40 wreaths to get out before my Christmas season is over. So I will be taking a much deserved break, most likely. Anyway, today we're going to be doing a Christmas tree topper. And this is my laser cut jumping horse. And where I have taken and stapled on the back a gold rope and a velvet ribbon. And then I stapled it on here, and then I'm just going to cover the back of it. This is really simple, easy to do, very quick. This is why I'm choosing this, because I have still a lot to do. And I want to get this video done. Okay, so flip it over, and you can see the staples came through the front, but it's no biggie because I'm going to be covering that up. So I cut a little square of a piece of styrofoam, and I'm going to glue that there. And then I'm going to cut, after I make sure this is glued on really good, I have this poinsettia. It's all glittery. And this is going to be kind of like the base for the little design that I'm going to be building on top of this tree topper. This can also be used as a candlestick, ornament, decoration, or sometimes you can even put it on a lamp or anywhere you just want to add a little equestrian flair. Okay, so with this poinsettia, I'm just going to cut off a few of these petals. And this is how we'll start the building of this design. And the reason I use this kind of poinsettia petal is because of the wire that is attached. There's wire here, and it can easily go into the styrofoam. Otherwise, it would be very hard to put it in there. So I'm going to cut those, usually about 5, kind of depends, but if you go into the stores now, there's nothing left, but sometimes you can find some stray decorations. So even if you don't have this exactly, you might be able to find something like it. Okay, so I'm just going to glue the tip there, and I'm going to push it into the base of the styrofoam. Do it like in a flower. So it looks like a little flower that we're going to be building. And you can do this with any kind of horse. It doesn't have to be the jumping horse. Jumping horse just happens to be really popular. Okay. And then one more. And then I have these beautiful, very glittery gold leaves. And then I'm going to continue to push these in over top of these petals. So it's gonna still be like this really pretty floral design almost. So we're gonna kind of put that. Just keep pushing it around. Probably in about 4 different places, maybe 5 different places again. Very festive because it's so glittery. I love all this glitter. Okay, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is gonna put a bow here. So I'm gonna make a bow, but I'm going to make it in 2 different pieces. So it's gonna be kind of a small bow, and I'm gonna explain how to do the bow again. I'm gonna lay it across my fingers. Going to loop it back to the middle, loop it back to the middle. Just going to make 6 loops for this particular one. Make the loops smaller and smaller. Okay. And then we're just going to cut that and then take a piece of wire. Remember, we're going to gather it. We'll take a little piece of wire. Okay, and then I'm going to cut this so that it's kind of short right there. And then I'm just going to push this into here. First, I'm going to make sure this is even. It might be a little big, but it'll still be fine, I think. Okay. Push that in here on this 1/2 of the side, and then we're going to make another bow, and then I'm going to put it on the bottom. And hopefully in the next coming weeks, I'm going to be, like I said, giving some more Etsy tips. And then I'm also going to be discussing some tips on how to do your own craft business. And give some pointers, and possibly I'm thinking about opening it up to helping people possibly have their own different niches with their craft business. So we'll talk about that later, after this craziness is over with, because everybody's dream is to have their own business. So you can start it as a hobby business and grow it to a full-time job, or you can just do it on the side for extra money, which is how I originally started, but then I built it into a full-time business. Okay, so now I have this divided. I'm going to take this little pine cone and I'm going to glue it here. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure that these bows, these loops are nice and fluffy. Okay. So those are my plans for the next few videos as we discuss, and I can also, of course, go into showing you some of my own equestrian designs. And then we're just going to finish it off by putting some more of these gold petals, and then it's done. It's super simple, super easy. And like I said, you can put it on, my favorite way to use it is to tie it on a candlestick and put an electric candle, and it's a very elegant, beautiful, like mantle design. But a lot of people use it for their trees. So it's whatever you would like. And these make really good gifts for people. And it's not a hard craft. And you can always tailor it to what you would like. Okay, and then I'm going to just put some more there. And then it's done. And it's a super easy tree topper. You can use whatever bow you want. And people love these. And they're super, like I said, it's pretty easy. It doesn't take too much. I got these leaves at Michael's. It does take quite a bit of them though, but other than that, it's pretty good. And then as soon as this is all dried, I will fluff it up and arrange the bow so you can see it a little bit better. But you have to wait till it's all dry before you can pull on it a little bit. But there you go, super easy. All right, and I probably will see you one more time before Christmas. And I'll figure out something, another little festive thing you can make as a gift or for your own home. Alrighty, until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you soon.